All right, mobsters, we got a special treat for you this time around. Returning guests, Chris Williams, Liam Hoffman.
Second annual.
Makers of things sharp. We are going to be making a Tanto knife. This is a piece of ebony that we're going to use for the Kawasaki, Hibaki, Yamaha, something or other. You know, the handle and the sheath. It's called a Shirasaya, I believe. But we were joking the other night that we're just going to get all the terminology wrong. Why? Because we're not Japanese. So, Liam, you're going to do some forging. You're going to forge the shape of the blade. We got some steel, flat stock. We're going to draw out the tang and the tip, get the blade done. Chris is going to do some grinding. He knows how to make sparks really well. And I am obviously going to do the woodworking side of things. So, without further ado, let's get this show underway. Very nice.
So, I think you guys might be open to trying a new experience tonight?
Hell, I'm down.
All right.
Did you put it all the way in?
I think I need to go deeper.
Well, that was a first for me. Was it a first for you?
That was my first. you were both my first.
Okay, sorry guys. It's been a really long day.
Best quench ever.
Best quench ever. We just wanted to share this video with you guys, a little teaser. We're putting this up. There's going to be another part to this when we finish the knives. But I just wanted to get this video up so that I can remind you guys, because we are having a massive spring sale that closes tomorrow night at midnight for the Makers Mob. So if you want to get in so you can check it out, see what's going on. I'm kind of sweet talking Liam into joining the mob and teaching us all about metalworking and making sharp objects.
Well, after tonight's experience, I've been persuaded.
Yeah. So you have that to look forward to, as well as we will be having a tutorial series on these knives, how do we made them, and we're also making some Damascus and a few other tools. So make sure to get in on that. There's a few spots left. I think there's like 5 or 4 spots left for my Memorial Day weekend timber framing course where we're building a 10x16 timber frame greenhouse in my backyard. So if you want to be a part of an in-house workshop here, you just go take advantage of that spring deal. For the Makers Mob sign up, you get invited. You can join up for the workshop. So whatever you're into, click the link down in the description box below or up in the corner. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video where we finish off these knives and show you how glorious they are. Till then, samurai out.